Good evening. Well, Storm Babette has now eased away. The weather has been improving, but we have got that legacy of disruption. So there's been these strong winds, big waves too. This was the picture in County Antrim yesterday. But of course, lots of rainfall, lots of flooding problems still ongoing too. This is the picture in West Bridgeford in Nottinghamshire. But actually a bit further north in Nottinghamshire, we've still got 2 severe flood warnings in force from the Environment Agency. So that means a danger to life across portions of the River Idle, particularly close to the Retford area. Now, widely during this storm since Wednesday, we've seen between 100 and 200 millimetres of rain. So if we think about October so far, there's already been 175% of expected rainfall across East Anglia. That's the wettest spot. Only 53% of expected rainfall has fallen so far, though, for the west of Scotland. So some real contrast about how wet it's already been. The next 5 days or so, this is the expected rainfall accumulation. So the blue colours through the week spread across the map, but generally about 30 to perhaps 50 millimetres of rain for most of us through the week ahead. So certainly not the really persistent heavy rain that we've seen over the past week. But an unsettled picture, rain at times, nights becoming milder after tonight, that is, because we are set to see a touch of frost. So the satellite image shows we've had fairly clear skies out there, 1 or 2 showers towards the west, but this area of low pressure tries to nudge in from the west, but high pressure across the near continent is holding on to the weather for the here and now. Could be some mist and fog forming, particularly through parts of the Midlands overnight, a few showers towards the west, but a cold night for Scotland and for northern England, and with the very wet ground, temperatures in the countryside below freezing, could well be some icy stretches to watch out for first thing Monday morning. So a bit of a chilly start to the day, then we've got those icy stretches, again some mist and some fog that will gradually clear away. So a largely dry day, good news for most of us on Monday, perhaps a few showers into Northern Ireland, the far southwest of England, and perhaps clouding over from the south later on. Temperatures about 11 to 16, fairly typical really for this time of year. Now into Tuesday, the next area of low pressure drifts its way in from the south, so it's going to bring some showery rain on Tuesday. Could be the odd heavy and thundery downpour in the south at first. A few more showers moving into the east later on, but nothing particularly heavy or persistent. Temperatures again around about 10 to 16 degrees for this stage. And then a subtle change into the middle of the week as the next Atlantic low pressure moves in. So quite a few isobars on the map, a fairly windy spell of weather developing for parts of the southwest of England, Wales, Northern Ireland as that heavy rain moves in. But further north and east, you're going to be seeing perhaps a few showers, some sunshine too, and temperatures again around 10 to 16. It does look like this frontal system, as it moves its way northwards into Thursday, could stall across portions of eastern Scotland and northeast England. So areas that could really do without extra rainfall could well see some wet weather. Now to the south of that, probably sunny spells and scattered blustery showers moving through quite swiftly on the breeze. 9 to 16, so again temperatures not changing. No frost overnight, we've got too much wind and cloud and showers around. But into Friday, it looks like low pressure will sit out towards the west and we'll see fronts and showers rotating around that. So an unsettled story as we end the working week. Sunshine, blustery heavy showers and temperatures again around 10 to 16 degrees. So it's looking autumnal, but not as wet though as it has been. Bye for now.